Hey y'all, come on in. Today I'm picking blackberries. Normally I'd be picking blackberries with my kids throughout their whole entire life, but they're all grown and now I have to do it by myself. Tears. Anyhow, there's so many benefits to picking fruit with your kids. Gives you something to do that day. You're already gonna have to buy fruit. They get to be connected with nature and see like where blackberries don't just come from the grocery store. They have to be grown, so healthy for you. Get some vitamin D. The list goes on and on about why picking fruit is just so much fun and so special. But I also recognize you might have crying kids. It's hot. I'm hungry. Will you eat some of your blackberries? I don't know, all the little things they do. But one day you'll miss it. So I hope you guys go out and pick some fruit with your kids. One of my first memories of picking fruit was in the country in Alabama. We went there to like the country home, which don't read in that too much. It wasn't that special. It's like one bathroom kind of situation. But there was wild blackberries, and my grandfather and I and my sister, we would all go out and go into the woods and pick the blackberries. Well, technically, I guess it's not really the woods because they don't grow inside the woods. They grow like along the woods. Anyhow, I loved it. It made me love picking fruit out in the wild, and then also this is way easier where they grow it for you.